Jefferson County Code Law number 2 is back in session. Court has 3 dockets. We have an announcement docket, pretrial conference plea docket, and trial docket. First case is off of our announcement docket. We have 4 cases, well, 5 cases. First case is cause number 327-582. Second case is cause number 327-824. Third case is cause number 328-442. The fourth case is cause number 328-444. And the fifth case is cause number 332-188. All 5 cases are style of state of Texas versus Deracia Williams or Deracia Marquise Williams. Is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Deracia is represented in this case by Attorney John Macy. Attorney Macy, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Your Honor. Thanks for asking.
You're welcome. And the state is represented in this case by Attorney Lamar Johnson. Attorney Johnson, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Macy, what is your announcement?
Your Honor, apparently, well, I was appointed to represent Ms. Williams. This is my first appearance. She apparently had previously had Tom Burbank for a while.
Okay.
I'm missing some discovery in one of the cases. I got most of it, but I think there's a video out there that I don't have. And I'd ask for just a regular reset so I can get my hands on that.
Okay.
And then, so 30 days or whatever.
Give us a reset date.
Be fine.
Okay, these cases will be reset to October 31st of 2022. To allow you to get copies of the video that you're missing in the discovery. Now, Mr. Macy, you can sign for your resets. And once you sign for your resets and give it to your client, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Thank you,
Williams,
Your Honor. Same to you.
you're welcome. Your attorney is going to sign for your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. You stand over there. Thank you. You're welcome. Court is back in session on the announcement docket. Next two cases are cause number 330670 and cause number 331584. Both cases are solid State of Texas versus Ryan Stephen Jackson. Mr. Jackson, is that your full name?
It is, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Jackson?
I'm doing good. What about you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Jackson. You're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Alan Parker. Attorney Parker, how are you doing?
I'm good, Judge. Thank you.
Mr. Parker, what is your announcement in Mr. Jackson's cases?
We need a little time, Judge, for discovery. We've got discovery in one of the cases, the one they filed afterwards, though we don't have all the discovery in.
Okay. Could you give us a reset date?
November 7th.
November 7th? Okay, Mr. Jackson, your cases will be reset to November 7th of 2022. Your attorney is going to sign for your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Okay, you can stand over there on the floor. You're welcome. Yeah, and I think he wants to, he's talking to the prosecutor on those. Court is in session in cause number 326-502. Case of style of the State of Texas versus James Parrott. Mr. Parrott, is that your full name? How you doing, Mr. Parrott? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Parrott. You're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Nathan Reynolds. Attorney Reynolds, how you doing?
Doing well, Judge.
That's good. Now, Mr. Reynolds, what is your announcement in Mr. Parrott's case on a trial docket?
Is the state going forward with it? We are going. Okay, we're ready, Judge, but I have been selected on the jury panel for tomorrow, so I probably can't try the case and deal with it.
You on what panel? This panel?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to have a.
Well, that's what was the plan last time, I thought.
Yeah.
Okay, well, just
We-
wait till, I guess the other prosecutors in the next court.
Okay,
That's Mr. Coleman.
yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, just have a seat and then we'll call you back up when the prosecutor comes back over here.
Okay, this is what else that?
So I didn't know what you meant by going forward.
This is right now.
Next case on the court's trial docket is cause number 321-566, case of South State of Texas versus Paula Lindsay Connor. Mr. Connor, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Connor?
Good, how are you, Judge?
I'm doing fine, Mr. Connor. You're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Dustin Galmore,
Yes, sir.
who is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Galmore, how are you doing?
I'm great, Judge. How are you?
Well, I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Galmore. What is your, now, this case is on the court's trial docket. What's your announcement?
Ready?
Okay, state.
Your Honor, we have not heard back from the officer. I haven't been able to secure the officer. They asked for a short continuance. I believe that the states have had in this case. The only one that the defense had continuance the last setting down. But we've reached out to the witnesses and just haven't secured their.
Okay, well, just, I'm gonna hold up on making a decision. I'm gonna have to look into, see how many, if any continuations was granted, and how many and to whom they were granted to. Okay,
And Judge, just so it's clear, as long as I have no opposition to a continuance if they have not had a witness problem before.
yeah, but on our docket, it states, has this case is apparently, it's a number one setting. Apparently, I don't know the defense or the state, somebody, last time we was here, asked for the number one setting on this case. So at this time, the court is going to look into this matter. Now, Mr. Connor, you can have a seat and we'll call you back up. Either one, either way.
Yes, sir.
You have one by the state? Oh,
If you read it, it says, the state was following them, but the reason was counsel for defense.
oh, okay, okay, I will take a look at it. Next case is cause number 331072. Excuse me. Case is style of state of Texas versus Casey Nicole Miller. Your full name is Casey Nicole Miller. How you doing, Ms. Miller? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Miller, are you here represented by your attorney, Attorney Alan Parker? Attorney Parker, what is your announcement in Ms. Miller's case?
Your Honor, we're asking for a reset to place it on the plea docket. We just need a little more time to, it's gonna be a plea, just a couple things we need to work out.
You gonna reset it on the plea docket?
Yes, sir, Judge.
Give us a reset date. Ms. Miller, this case will be reset to October 31st for a plea. Your attorney is gonna sign for your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Okay, once you get your reset. And Mr.
And I have one other one, Judge.
Oh, it's on the announcement docket, page 7 at the bottom. Yeah, you have the other one. Yes. Mr. Irwin.
What day of the week is the 31st?
Is James Irwin here? Oh.
There it goes.
Okay, this is cause number 332-364, case of style of state of Texas versus James Anderson Irwin. Mr. Irwin, is that your full name?
Yes.
How are you doing, Mr. Irwin? That's good. Mr. Irwin, you're here represented by your attorney Alan Parker. Attorney Parker, what is your announcement in Mr. Irwin's case?
I think it's gonna be a plea, Judge, but I'm waiting on, I want to go over the video with my client, just to show him that before I, plead, but I feel certain it's gonna be a plea. I feel confident put on the plea docket.
Okay,
Based on what I know right now.
give us a reset date. Okay, Mr. Irwin, your case will be reset to October 31st of 2022. Your attorney is gonna sign for your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Excuse?
Yes, you may be excused. You have a blessed day as well. Okay, next case is cause number 329-330, case of style of state of Texas versus Ryan Foster or Ryan Lee Foster. He's appearing on via Zoom. Mr. Foster, you can take your mic off of mute. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty good.
And Mr. Foster's attorney, Mr. Nathan Reynolds, is present in court. Mr. Reynolds, what is your announcement on Mr. Foster's case?
There's a
He's made an offer and I haven't talked to Mr. Foster regarding the offer. If he contacts my office, I'd like, I just need to know if he wants to take a plea or have a trial.
Okay, so you want to reset your case to make your announcement?
If we could do that, Judge, yes, and ask him to contact me.
Well, you can act, I mean, that's your client. Give me a reset date, October 31st.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Foster, your attorney, Mr. Reynolds, is resetting your case October 31st for an announcement. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Well, you have a PR bond. So, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
All right, thank you. I appreciate you.
All right,
Thank you, Judge.
all right. You're welcome. Blessed day as well, Mr. Reynolds. Next case is, next two cases, cause number 325707 and cause number 325709. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Clay Elwood Autry III. Mr. Autry is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Autry, you can take your mic off of mute.
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm fine. How are you doing, Mr. Autry?
All right, sir.
Mr. Autry, you're represented in this case by your attorney, Attorney Adam Crawshaw. Attorney Crawshaw, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge. Thank you.
And the state is represented in this case by Attorney Ray Shearer. Attorney Shearer, how are you doing?
Doing good, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, last time this case was reset, it was reset to give defense an opportunity to talk to the assistant district attorney who's handling the case. Have y'all been able to do that?
I spoke with an assistant DA. It was not Mr. Shearer. It was the last prosecutor that was in the court at the last appearance. But in any event, that did happen.
Okay. What is your announcement, Mr. Crawshaw?
Judge, we need a final pretrial motions hearing. We have
Okay.
one unheard motion that's on file, and then a jury trial setting to follow that.
Okay. So we're gonna set it for a pretrial conference to hear his motion that he has on file.
Okay, Your Honor, if memory serves you correctly, there were numerous motions that were filed, so the state would like to have a specific which one we're going to hear. If defense counsel could let us know which motion he was referring to. We would object to because they were not timely.
Okay, now, Mr. Crawshaw,
Mhm.
the prosecutor is asking the specific motion that we're having the hearing on.
It's the motion to suppress that was filed a while back.
Okay, motion to suppress. Okay. Probably I'm thinking a Thursday afternoon would probably be better. We're gonna have to get with our court reporter, yeah. Mr. Crawshaw, we're gonna get with our court reporter to find out availability. Now, I'm looking at it's gonna be on a Thursday afternoon. We're gonna have to get with, I know you're out of town, you have a schedule as well. And so what we might have to do is get together and coordinate your schedule with the court schedule, as well as the district attorney's schedule. Okay, and so
Understood.
what we'll do is we'll have some dates. I'll get with the prosecutor, have some dates that they'll email to you. And once we get a date that's agreeable, we'll set the pretrial hearing on that date. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. So at this time, yeah, you're free to go. Mr. Autry, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr.
Well,
Crawford, you have a blessed day as well. And just be looking forward to hearing something from us regarding the setting of your pretrial.
Okay, will that be emailed to us?
Probably, yeah. I mean, yes, it should be emailed. We have your email address. I think you've been communicating with the state, haven't you?
Not in a while, but yes, I have, and I have Mr. Shearer's email as well.
Okay, that's good. Okay, yeah, we'll communicate email. So you're free to go, Mr. Autry. You have a blessed day, and Mr. Crawshaw, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you, Judge. You have a good day.
All right. Court is in session and calls number 329-390, cases style of State of Texas versus Timothy J. Garcia, Timothy John Garcia. Mr. Garcia, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Garcia?
I'm doing okay.
That's good. Mr. Garcia, you're here represented by your attorney Corey Crenshaw. Attorney Crenshaw, how are you doing?
I'm doing.
That's good. And state is represented in this case by attorney Lamar Johnson. Attorney Johnson, again, how are you doing? State, what is your announcement in Mr. Garcia's case?
We're ready, Your Honor. The only day our witness is not available is Thursday. But we're ready.
Okay, and Mr. Crenshaw?
We're ready, Judge.
Okay.
I've got an insane schedule this week. I probably have more than 15 court settings. I'm being told we're way down the list and that we're.
Well, he's second from the bottom on this list. Yeah, we gotta, yeah.
When does the court, do you want us to come back?
Well, we're gonna see how many we have ahead of you now. If we have like 5 or 6 cases ahead, we probably won't be calling you because we anticipate one of those 5 cases will probably be gone.
If we did get reached, when would you want us back?
Tomorrow at 1:30 to pick a jury.
Okay, yeah, that's fine, Judge. I was concerned if I had to come back today.
Oh,
I've
yeah.
got to be in a whack.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Great.
Yeah, but our office will be in contact with your office.
Sounds great.
All right,
Thank you.
all right, y'all free to go.
Thank you.
We're gonna just, right now, hold, yeah. He announced ready.